It peels the years back. And I had a little bit of puffiness around my eyes. Everything is gone.
It just takes years off your face.
People stop me on the street and go, "Your skin is so beautiful."
Look better, younger, refreshed, and healthy. No facelift required. In less than 1 hour, the Coolaser can turn back the hands of time.
That brings out your healthy skin back to the way it was supposed to be. Coolaser is the ideal treatment for removal of freckles, discolorations, sun damage, fine lines, deep lines, and it's great to tighten the skin.
Dr. Simon Ourian runs one of the busiest medical practices in Beverly Hills. His experience and expertise with laser technology produce incredible results with minimal risk.
If you want to erase sun damage, dark circles, veins, Coolaser is the best way to do it, and Epione is the only place to have it done. Dr. Simon had a hand in inventing Coolaser, so nobody knows how to do it better than him.
The process is fast and simple. First, a numbing cream is applied to the target area. Then Dr. Ourian focuses a state-of-the-art laser on scars, wrinkles, birthmarks, dark circles, or age spots to minimize their appearance.
The advantage of the Coolaser is that it's so effective and so precise, and we can get very close to the areas that we want to and avoid the healthy skin in the areas that we want to avoid.
The Coolaser uses a beam of light energy to work its magic, vaporizing the upper layers of damaged skin. Collagen is rejuvenated, bringing back the smooth, soft look of youth.
Your body goes into an overproduction of collagen, so your skin starts to look more firm, tighter, and it starts to give you the appearance of a facelift by giving you a nice upward lifting of your face.
I have very sensitive skin, but it was done so quickly and so fast that you really don't notice. It just kind of peels off the top layer and it regenerates your skin, and it gets the collagen building up again, so it's really nice.
Most patients say the Coolaser procedure was not painful.
I had no actual pain with the procedure at all, and within a couple of days my skin started to peel, and the skin underneath was younger, fresher, tighter, and people noticed a difference right away.
It was a little painful for me, but ultimately the results, fabulous.
And it felt a little bit like, I guess it would be like little rubber bands slapping against my skin really quickly. It was over before I even knew it. When it was over, I thought, oh, that was it?
After the procedure, patients are sent home with a special cream to soothe reddened skin. That's the most common side effect of Coolaser and usually occurs on the first day of treatment. Days later, some peeling may occur, but by day 4, spectacular, rejuvenated skin is ready to face the world.
I went home, it felt a little bit like a sunburn for a few days, and applied some ointment to my face, applied some cool towels to my face, and then pretty much in about 4 or 5 days it was over. And my skin was pink, and I started seeing this newer, healthier skin come to the surface.
I wanted to look how I felt. I felt that I was looking in the mirror, looking more tired than I really was. Within 3 or 4 days after the procedure, I just saw the well-rested me.
Patients with all skin types swear by the long-lasting results of the Coolaser treatments they received at Epione.
When I came in to consult with them, they reassured me of all the different fears that I had, of all the different things that I read, that this particular laser is nothing like any other lasers that I've seen or read about, that it's completely appropriate for Asian skin, and I would definitely recommend it for other skin types like my own.
I know that that is an issue the darker you are, and it just wasn't a real big concern for me.
Now, with the Coolaser, I can treat people of all skin types, all skin colors, and the recovery time is a lot shorter. Most people can go back to work within a few days.
In the past, skin rejuvenation options were more invasive, required anesthesia, and weeks or months of recovery.
They really made me feel comfortable and really just gave me the confidence that this is the place I would like to be, to have this done.
Patients receive the treatments in the spa-like atmosphere of Epione in Beverly Hills. The experienced and talented staff make the consultation process and the procedure feel relaxing and even luxurious.
The atmosphere, the environment is very relaxing, and I love the fact that they are concerned about you. And they tell you how to take care of your skin step by step.
Even if you've never heard of Coolaser and you may not know what questions to ask, the consultant can actually give you information so that you can make an educated decision.
Patients who have benefited from a Coolaser treatment say it's changed not only their makeup routine and skincare regimen, but the way they feel about themselves.
I don't have to wear base every day or powder every day. You know, my skin, as long as I put sunscreen on, it just looks flawless.
The absolute best part about having the treatment was, in fact, not necessarily the outward change, although those were dramatic beyond my expectations. The more dramatic result was the way I felt about myself afterwards. It was an enormous change.
What I really love especially is when I catch my reflection in something and I just love the way I look. That's a great feeling. So it makes me feel great, makes me feel younger. When I hit 50, I thought, you know, it's time to do something. And it was just a great idea.
I want to age gracefully, sort of, with a little help from the doctors.